Hello and thanks for watching this third update for 2020, covering our newest model, the HO scale Boeing 777 covered well car. If you like large or unique rolling stock, you will love this car, which exceeds Plate H at a height of 20 feet 1 inch above the railhead and a width of 12 feet 8 inches. During the development of the Boeing 777 aircraft in the early 1990s, 16 well cars with removable canopies were built to transport sections of the aircraft fuselage. Loaded cars travel from Wichita, Kansas to Everett, Washington using BNSF and Montana Rail Link main lines. The cars started service in 1993 and have been in continual use since then. With the new 777X currently in flight testing, these unique cars should remain in service well into the future. Our model is produced as a kit and as fully assembled. The kit assembles easily and includes everything you need to complete the car other than CA glue, paint, and a few simple hand tools. A complete list of features and details can be found at our website, railfanmodels.com. Kits may also be purchased there as well. A limited number of fully assembled cars will be sold exclusively through Spring Creek Model Trains. If you have questions about this car or our other products, send an email to info@railfanmodels.com. We appreciate your patronage and look forward to sharing more great products with you soon.